Another beautiful day for a ride on the cycle paths of Sunbury, the walkways. And before I left home, I cleaned and oiled my chain, I adjusted my brakes, and what else did I do? Oh, I checked the tyre pressures. It's really important to keep your machine maintained. Well, that said, let's have a look at where I'm going today. I'm going to have a look at the Nook. I'm about to go through the railway bridge.
Told me love was like a well-oiled machine, honey, maintain the pipes, keep the thing clean. You said it was like a drive in the dark. You got always come prepared, baby. Parallel park, you give me white line fever up and down my spine. Didn't nobody stop to read ya the speed limit sign. And then baby takes a detour up of Highway 61. Locked me in the seatbelt and made me come undone. She showed me how to clutch and accelerate. I'm thinking it's time to tell you now, baby, them's the brakes.
And it would surprise me if there's less than 100 people wandering around. Lots of people having picnics, and there's free barbecues.
You found me hitching on a road with broken dreams, taking me for a ride, you know what I mean. Honey, if there's one thing I can
lots of
say
great
about
spaces.
us, drive me in the corner, baby, I'll take a bus. You show me how to clutch and accelerate. I'm thinking it's time to tell you now, baby, them's the brakes. Show me how to clutch and accelerate. I'm thinking it's time to tell you now, baby, them's the baby, them's the brakes.
Gorgeous spot. Well, even though there's a lot of people here, and I try not to capture too many people on camera, there's still plenty of little spots that you can just walk into the Nook and find your own little slice of paradise. And of course the Nook is surrounded by these lovely walkways and cycle paths again. So you can actually walk for miles around here. This particular path can take me all the way to the ridge on Goonawarra, which is pretty amazing. Anyway, let's ride down to this corner here. Sound of kids laughing, it's pretty nice. So as you can see, the river is behind me, but she does wind round. So I'll just stop and adjust the camera. Yeah, it's pretty beautiful. Yeah. We have the winery on one side and the Nook on the other. And a jogger in front. Thank you. It's lovely in the afternoon with the shade from the trees. Some nice spots to just sit and contemplate. And that's a brief overview of the Nook. We're coming up now to Apex Park, which is handy because if you need to visit the bathroom, it's all here. It's easy to take Sunbury for granted and forget about all of this beauty that surrounds us here. Oh, this hill's going to require a bit of effort. Oh yeah. Oh, sorry about the shaky camera work. But again, free barbecues, kids' playground, and some public amenities over there. So that's your ride through the Nook for today. It's the Ball Court Hotel. And it's a pretty warm day, so I'm going to stop in for a beer on my way home. Hey Maggie. So that's the end of my journey today. If you're enjoying my content, please like and subscribe. That really helps me out and it encourages me to keep going. I think for my next adventure in Sunbury, at least, I'll be heading up to the old asylum. It's a fascinating place. All right, thanks for joining me today. We'll see you next time.